Hi there, my name's Mandela and I'm here on the Grand Canyon, and I'm actually traveling with the Santoku knife that's made by New West Knifeworks, and it's a fantastic kitchen knife. It's made with the best steel that is currently available for cutlery in the kitchen. It's powder steel, and this knife is made on the western slope of the Teton Mountain Range, and the Teton Mountain Range is actually pictured on the blade here. They have their absolutely phenomenal ergonomic handles that are indestructible. This knife holds its edge, it's stain resistant, and it's made by New West Knifeworks. It's phenomenal for cutting onions, carrots, tomato, steak. I mean, this knife has it all. So I recommend the Santoku by New West Knifeworks.
Okay, the thing about this knife, it's a Santoku knife, and it's got the outline of the Teton Range, which is where these knives are made. And what I like about it is today I cut steak with it, also bratwurst, and also tomatoes and onions. And it's still really sharp, but you really can't chop tomatoes with a lot of different knives. It really is very nice.
I would just really like to say that I appreciate how much sharper these knives are compared to literally any other knife I use in my daily life. They're really nicely crafted. The steel's nice, the sharpness is very fantastic. It cuts through tomatoes and veggies like nothing else. They are just very, very nice to use.
Hi, I'm Ray. I'm here at the bottom of the Grand Canyon with my friend John. And what we have is the Santoku knife from Victor, Idaho, from the New West
Knifeworks.
That's right, John. New West Knifeworks. This is made out of powdered steel. It holds its edge beautifully, which is important because we're a long ways away from anywhere. We can't really sharpen our knives. This thing holds an edge. It cuts tomatoes, it cuts everything we've needed to cut so far. The handle, lifetime guarantee. This thing is great.